Hey, it's Super Rude Dog. Quickie. Ultimate Man Builds. 2 machine station. Flip top. You can look right here. It's cut out. Eye bolt. Head poles are tight. Same thing on the other side. Little eye bolt. One on each side. Got a pipe running down the center on the top. I'll make another video showing me flipping it. It's just the end of the day. I'm tired from working. There it is. Got a pull-out drawer. I keep the supplies from the sander and that in there, and I'm going to build some sort of organizer or whatever for that. I got my planer on the bottom, my rigid sander on top. I guess next for me it's going to be I got that rigid stand. It's okay, but that's more orientated towards construction, and I do find woodworking. I'm going to do something with that. I'm going to do something with that so that area right there in the shop can be used for machine storage. So I'm going to build a miter station that's storable. It has wings and everything on it. There is nothing convenient about that thing at all. Also too, big table saw. Gonna make a sled, and I'm probably gonna put it on wheels and put it on its own cabinet eventually, finally do it. And then I'm gonna build an assembly bench this year. But there you go. There's my ultimate man builds this week. 2 station, flip top station. All right, thanks for watching.